cook and have those flavors come together. I've got my stuff for my banana flambe warming up over here, standing by, ready for the big finish. And let's find the fish. It smells beautiful and looks even better. This is such a beautiful, elegant presentation. Those herbs, especially when I say aromatic aroma, I really mean that. So let's go ahead and fillet this guy. I'm going to give it a little fillet-ectomy. I'm going to pull the backbone right off. And we're going to pull this whole fillet right off. This is a 2-pound fish. This is good for